Katie, and today I am going to be saying the wolf blood spell, and hopefully, let me just turn the telly down.
Yeah, life will throw some pretty rough stuff at you. I think I can handle it all, as long as I've got my mates.
Sorry about that. Okay, so the wolf blood spell. There has to be a full moon. Here is the spell. By the light of the moon and of her same house, we are further transformed into Conan beasts. From the circle of life to the evolution of man, I shall be reawakened as one with the land. For this spell, you've got to go outside when you can fully see the moon. Nothing blocking it. Look at the moon and chant the spell 10 times without messing it up. The side effects are sharper teeth, eye colour changes, headaches, stomach aches, muscles hurting, anger issues, wanting to go outside more, hungry a lot. On the next full moon, when you see the moon, you will shift. The night you do the spell, you should dream about wolf. Remember what the wolf from the dream looks like. It is going to be your wolf form. Okay, so I hope it works for you. Thank you. And the next video I'll be doing is vampire.